It's raining out here, but these chickens, oh, they're gonna come out in it now. But they were all huddled up underneath the table, staying out of the rain. But they're gonna come out. They're gonna come out because they want a snack. Hope everyone's having a great day. We're having a wet day here, but it's still great. Anyway, we got some baby rabbits right here too. They've gotten really big. Yeah. Hey babies. Hey babies. Hey babies. Hey, y'all want some snacks too? I'll get you some in just a second. There's Mama back there. Anyway, happy Friday. Happy fabulous Friday. Stay tuned. Do more animal videos. Bye-bye.